So maybe I'd like to start doing a little bit of validation on my form. And when the person fills out a box, if they've made some kind of mistake, maybe I want to show them a message so they know how to fix it. So the first thing to do is that I'd like to put a message on the screen directly next to the box that the problem is happening in. So I'm going to add, just next to my text boxes, a little span field. And that gives me a place that I can aim at to put the error messages in. Okay. And if I want to select them separately, I'll need them to have a way to identify them. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to name them message 1, message 2, and actually I'm going to name them, let me be even smarter about this. I'm going to name them message 0, message 1, and message 2. Whenever I'm coding, I'm trying to give myself tricks that let me write less to accomplish the same thing. So if I name these guys so that they have sequential numbering, now this numbering kind of corresponds to the order in which these inputs are going to be grabbed by my query selector down here. And so what I can do is I can actually send in which thing I'm working with to this lose focus, and then I can grab hold of this guy very easily, and I'll show you what I mean. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this I that's in my for loop, and I'm going to add that as a parameter to, actually this guy doesn't need it, but this guy does, lose focus. And I'm going to go ahead and add that in here, and I'll show you how we use that. So let's say I just want to, when they leave, I'm going to write anything into that box. So I'm going to do a query selector on an ID. In fact, I'm going to use backticks for this. I'm going to select on an ID that is message, and then I'm going to plug my variable in, my I, and it will select the one that goes with the box that was clicked because they got put into my array called inputs in the same order that their spans occur on the page. And so let's just put some text in there to test this out. All right, let's see if this works. All right, so I'm going to refresh my page. I'm going to when I leave this box, something should appear to its right. When I leave this box, something should appear to its right. And again, sweet. So I've got the right ones attached to the right spots.